No. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Boyfriend Beater Learns She Can't Intimidate Police by Crime Time Cam. Hell no. You gotta get out of there, brother.
Can you come over here so we can...
Why you talking all the way over there? Why the fuck he got red hair?
You're trying to tell us what happened and we can't really hear you.
Hit me in the head with the broomstick.
I'm just trying to walk through the whole thing. You walk through the door and then what happened?
I just tried to go to the lanai.
Bow! She just hit his ass.
So I went to the back.
Give that 12.
And she's like, you're not coming in.
431.
I said, you just said I could come in here. You come in, I'm gonna punch you in the face. I stood there. And she hit me with the
Where did she hit you?
in my head with the broomstick.
Can you show us?
Right here, she just hit me with it. And then you can see the dust from the mop. He was just talking to me. It wasn't there. I have no reason why. I'm just telling you that because I don't. You hit this thing, you hear her back there screaming, and then you're like, "Hey, what's going on?"
Right.
Can you show him wherever she hit you? Let him get a really good look at that, okay?
See, it's red. I'm sure it's probably red right there. She just hit me.
So let me ask you this: what are you wanting to do?
What's your guys' relationship like, actually?
This is my child's mother.
Oh shit, he can't do nothing if he wanted to.
Well, that answers that question.
Yeah, pretty much.
She's broken, miserable.
Who else is in the house right now? There are some other adults in there.
Her cousins.
Were they out back when it happened? Were they in the house?
They're in the house.
Are they going to tell us something different?
No, what are they gonna say?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
Hands on her? No, nothing.
No pushing or anything. It's just
I couldn't. I'm at the screen.
Okay. Well, let's do a complete and thorough investigation.
Yeah.
All right. Are you willing to provide a sworn recorded statement about what happened?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. All right. We were here for a domestic argument. We resolved the domestic issue, realizing that it was a verbal argument only. Now, once we were leaving the scene, you were advised that you live here, you're a tenant here. What did you do as we left?
I went in the back, go inside,
Okay.
and she was standing at the screen.
Okay.
They said I can come back. She said, you're not coming back in here. So they said I can come back. She said, I'll punch you in your face and move anymore.
Ooh.
I said, you're punching
Can't do that.
She picked up the broom and she hit me with it.
What kind of broom was it?
It's a mop. It's a red mop.
Okay. Like a Swiffer, like a
you know that mop that
He funny as hell. He tried to get him to describe the weapon.
you step on.
Ah.
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay.
Regular.
All right. And where did she strike you? Once, twice?
Once, right here.
Okay. Now we took a quick look. We don't really see any visible marks. How are you injured from it?
No, I'm not injured.
Okay. All right. And what did you do after that?
I ran back to you guys.
Okay.
Because I didn't want her to start screaming, saying that I was doing something to her.
You ran away? You ain't put your foot down? Hell no.
Okay.
I never mind. He couldn't.
All right. Is there anything you wish to add, change, or leave from your statement?
No.
Stay right here.
She paid the bills. She paid the bills, goddammit.
What's going on? I just got a phone call.
Yeah.
From because I work at Woodland, so I just got a phone call saying that she's not answering phones. Something's happening.
Right. So what happened after he went inside the house?
I was with the kids. I have honestly. I
How
don't
did
know.
he get the dirt all over his shirt?
I was with the baby. I don't know.
You didn't see what happened?
I did not see. I was right there with the baby.
Do you have your ID card, driver's license?
I do.
God dang it.
Let me see if she'll provide a statement.
I don't think she is. I don't think she is.
Which part?
The last part.
locked out.
Oh, whoopsie.
What's your name again? Raven. Raven, I need to speak with you.
What do you want?
I need to speak with you.
What do you want?
I need to talk to you and get your side of the story.
What do you want?
I need to take a statement from you in regards to what happened out
I
back.
already told y'all what happened. You didn't want a statement before, now you want a statement. You were about to leave. So what do you want a statement for now?
I want to know what happened on the back patio
She's definitely the problem.
What happened on the back patio?
with the broom and the mop.
You tell me. I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
want a statement about it.
I don't know what you're talking
You don't know about it, so you're unwilling to provide a statement about.
All right, have a good day. You're weird.
So at this point, I have determined a domestic battery did occur, and if you do not come out now and provide a statement, I will have to go based off the only information I have. And a warrant.
Make up a lie, then do it. Go. Go ahead and make your lie up. I just told you I don't know what the talking about. So if you're gonna make up a whole investigation
So
in
if
a
you
statement,
He just snitched. I don't know if you noticed that, but he told them what happened.
if
that's
you're
your
willing
business.
to provide
I
us
don't
source,
give-
I
just
can
said
listen
I
to your
don't
side.
know.
If you do
Did
not
hear
wish,
me? Are you deaf? I don't know what you're talking about. That's my statement.
okay.
Now
So
what?
you either let me through this door,
I don't have to let you in
and I play.
anywhere.
Fine. There will be a warrant for your arrest
Have
for
fun.
domestic battery.
Right. Right.
Have a nice day.
You too.
You can go back inside.
No, I'm gonna stand here.
Okay, sounds good.
Bye.
That was easy.
He was, I guess, like, around the house. Around the house. So I don't know what happened after that.
Did you see anybody get hit?
No, I
Did you
didn't.
see anybody pick up a broom or anything?
I didn't see anything like that.
That's her friend. He is not finna tell on her.
Yeah,
Whoa.
so like I said, we're getting ready because the way she's treating you guys,
R-O-B-I-N.
we're getting ready to leave.
Neil, George, Edward, Mary, Ida, Lincoln, Edward.
Yeah, get your ass out of there.
There's a bond and L for Alright, so who else is in the house there?
It's just my brother and then her baby.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Can you get him for us? We need to
Okay.
talk to him too, okay?
And then after this,
Then you can go.
yeah, we're out.
He trying to get the fuck out of there because he knows what's finna happen.
So how about now? I want to press charges for you hitting me. How about that? So y'all don't have to let me press charges for him dragging me across my floor, right?
Come over here and we'll discuss it.
For something he just made up.
Come over here and discuss
Coming nowhere. I already was standing here talking to y'all.
Yeah.
And nobody wanted to hear nothing I had to say.
it.
Y'all wanted
You
go
don't want to hear
ahead.
what we have to say either. You're not
Yes,
listening
I do.
to
I
us.
heard what you said.
No,
Y'all
you
making a
didn't.
lie, so I'm not playing this game with
You
y'all.
didn't. You're not
I'm
hearing what I'm saying.
I'm
You're still
not.
not hearing
I'm
what I'm
playing
saying.
this
You're still yelling at me for no reason.
I am gonna yell because when I was talking to y'all, y'all act like you didn't understand what the I was saying to you. So now obviously I gotta scream it so you can hear
That's
me, right?
well, that doesn't help
Talking to the cops is not finna help this case, bad.
things, does it?
You're gonna drag me across the floor. Where y'all gonna step in with that?
Come over here and give us a statement for it.
No. I already stood here and told y'all what happened to you. Giving me a statement then. You
What
were
happened
about
to-
leave.
Look, she finna close that door.
What happened to what?
You
What
calling
happened
302?
to you? You guys about to leave just now. Why do you
Has
now
that
want
for
to
reference to subject negative
What's the
one
difference?
you?
Why when I called and I made a complaint about
Man,
him
pull her ass and just arrest her because she gonna go back in that door.
doing something to me, you guys didn't do anything. What are you trying to do?
Oh,
Going to jail.
Why?
Because you hit him.
I didn't hit him. That's a lie. And I said he hit me.
Stop. Stop.
Are you serious?
Relax.
I'm not doing anything. He's
Don't tense
squeezing
up.
me.
Don't tense up.
You're taking me to jail after
Yes,
he
we
hit
are
me?
taking you to jail.
I am gonna
domestic violence. Hold on, what she finna say? Sorry, y'all.
Stop.
What she finna say?
Are you serious?
Relax.
I'm not doing anything. He's
Don't tense
squeezing
up.
me.
Don't tense up.
You're taking me to jail after
Yes,
he
we
hit
are
me?
taking you to jail.
I am gonna hurt you. Watch. Now I am gonna hit you.
In front of the
Now I
cops.
am. And now that I'm going to jail and my son is in the house, take my phone, Jason. Don't touch my phone. My phone is in the grass. Go get
Like they can't go get it.
my phone.
Car there. Come on.
Give a Am I
God.
Can
you go back around?
Go back to my car, sir.
Third car.
She is dragging a little wagon though.
I'm glad this is what the you're doing. You're hurting my arm. Can you let me go a little bit?
No.
Hell no.
Pulling.
I'm pulling because you're twisting my body. How am I supposed to walk sideways?
You're on camera and you're not walking sideways. You're
I
gonna
was.
walk
Now
sideways.
you just fixed your arm. Stop playing games.
It's all on camera.
Great. And I can feel what you're
Ooh, she about to come out whooping his ass.
doing. So stop it. Congratulations. You'll never come back here again. Move further over. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Call my mother, please, and tell her I need to get bailed out. Thank you. Ridiculous. So I can't press charges for getting beat up in my house.
Our investigation has determined that you're the primary aggressor.
How? If I'm calling the cops.
Our investigation has determined that you're the primary aggressor.
How? When I called
Our
the cops.
investigation has
But he
determined that
dragged
you're
me.
the
I'm not allowed to be upset?
How many times?
I'm not allowed to be upset if I got dragged in my house in front of my baby?
All right, do you have anything
Are
on
y'all
you that's-
crazy? No, nothing.
Okay, if you have anything on you that is contraband, when you get to the jail and they locate it,
I
it's
said I
an
have
initial
nothing. You
felony.
can say what you want.
I'm
I said I
advising
have
you.
nothing.
Damn, she this annoying and you this what you decided to bust a nut in. Oh boy, you about to have a long 16 years.
Great, I don't care. Put me in the
Okay,
car so I can go.
I'm patting you down
Pat me
outside of
down.
your
You're a
pants.
man, don't touch me. Pick up my thing off the floor, please.
I will do that once
Thank
you step
you.
in the car. All right, I'm going to be buckling you in.
Great.
Safety first.
I'm gonna make sure first. I'm gonna sue this whatever police precinct, whatever y'all work for, because I called for help and y'all are arresting me. I can be aggressive in my house after I got beat on.
No, you cannot. You cannot be aggressive, babe. That's why you're getting arrested right now.
Crazy. It's good to know this is what the police station does.
Okay.
It is.
Fun times.
What did she get charged with,
The
though?
woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Share your thoughts in the comments.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.